Shut up and sit down.
Hello again, gang. Right, what have we got for this week's inbox review? We have got Revell's Level 3 1/24 scale Mclaren 570s, and in there is 106 of Revell's finest moulded parts, and it's a 19 centimetre long motor. Alright, I've also got a bit of a Doris going on, and she's going to be getting out of the motor. Alright, so little figure there getting out of the motor, happy days. Bit of the old box art going on there. The Revell kit number is 07051. Some colour pictures there of what the car should look like. Whether or not mine will is another matter. I'm not a super detail or super shiny expert. I tend to leave that to Paul Bretland over at International Scale Modeller and David Hunter at DH Model Works. They're two guys that can do super shiny and super detail far better than me. Pop along and give them a visit. So, end opening box. Let's get all the bits and bobs out. I'll just take that off because that's got my address on it. Clear parts in a bag. Even got the edges of the windscreen where the black's gonna go on them. Nice touch, I like that. Floor pan with the diffuser moulded in. Wheel rims, brake discs, etc. Plenty of scope for doing a bit of painting. Something I've just spotted there, which is a really good touch. You've got a right hand drive and you've got a left hand drive dash. Sweet, I like that. Yeah, gives you the option. So yeah, no more having to hack around with an axle. Bit of engine, interior of the doors going on, seats, etc. Nice set of super fat tyres, and the body shell done in a nice little orange colour. So plenty of scope there to build a nice looking car. Some carbon fibre inserts I've noticed there. I don't know whether you get a decal for that, but I might end up printing my own anyway because it's got a carbon fibre roof panel as well. Oh look, it's got the carbon fibre decals in there, so happy days. Like I say, it's going to be an out of the box build, which is rare for Festa, the only difference being Doris. Nice set of colour instructions from Revell there. Sprue diagrams as to what's in the box. Obviously decals and your safety notice. Engine assembly. All your interior. Body shell. And dropping it all together, and then your final colour scheme. So not a bad little kit that. I actually won this on the eModels Monday live stream in a competition, so thank you to eModels guys. I'm finally going to get round to building it in 2019, I hope. So just a quick little look over what you get there. I'm not a massive inbox review expert. There are others out there that can waffle on a lot longer than I can, so just a quick little review of a kit there is all I think you need. It lets you see what's in there. Like I say, if you haven't got it in your collection, go and get it. It's a nice little car. It looks like it's going to make a really nice looking kit. So get yourselves out and get it. So that is the Revell Level 3 Mclaren 570s. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.